Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be an unboxing of the FabFitFun Spring edition. You see all the pretty flowers. I've been waiting for my box just so I can do this like unboxing with you guys. My friends have received theirs and they like all told me about all the stuff that they got, and I was like, oh my god, I should do an unboxing for my video. So I've received 2 boxes prior to this one, so I have like a pretty good feel of this FabFitFun shenanigans. I know a lot of videos are up on YouTube, but they're all sponsored, and like this video is not sponsored. This is my honest review, just like always. I put makeup on for you guys because I just got home from clinical. I'm pretty tired, but I have so much makeup that honestly I should be using all of it, so that's what made me wear makeup. All right, so let's get into it. The first thing that I see when I open the box is this 3-piece set. It's called Cactus packing cubes. Oh, this is perfect because I travel so freaking much. So this is small, medium, and large. All right, these are cute. I always see like Desi Perkins and all those people, they use let me not be a savage and like open it actually correctly. I open everything like a savage because I just get excited. It's like supposed to help pack all your stuff. Never mind. I'm just kidding. So they're like yellow and bright, which is fun. And then I guess that this is the large, so this is like the biggest one. And Desi and all of them, they put like their underwear in here and like their clothes, and it just like helps organize in their luggage. And this is the medium. This is cute. Let me put these away before Julie gets in them. So this is the large and this is the medium, and then this is the small. Oh, I love this. This is great. You know what I like about FabFitFun is like I buy a lot of stuff for myself, but they like know what I need. You know, like I always buy all these things, but then I don't buy what I need, and I'm like, oh, that would have been great. So and this is a small. I think this is like perfect for like your bras and your panties and all that stuff. It's like super cute, not big. This is the medium and this is the small. So that's the first thing in my box. But yeah, these are pretty cute. I like them. They're really nice. They help organize in your luggage. I probably will use a small, to be honest, more than the other ones, because a lot of places that I go to, I carry it's a carry-on luggage because I don't like to take a lot of stuff. But I do like to take a big luggage just so I can bring stuff from the country. All right, next up in the box, I see this box. It says made in China, Cactus Cup. Oh my god, I saw people I saw one person, Jessie Styles, and my best friend Benita talk about this. So this is a Cactus Cup. I mean, I think it's like it's an okay product. I just don't know like why it's in this box, because it's like a little kid thing, you know. So I'm probably gonna give it to my goddaughters, but like why, like what's the point of this? It says cold liquids only, wash before using. I mean, I guess it's like a cute thing, but like I don't get why it's in the box. Next up, we have these Bloomingville Ever-Changing Homes. This is a woven seagrass coaster. Ooh, very cool. Oh my god, I didn't even tell you guys the prices of things. Why am I so bad at this stuff? These are some cute stickers that were in the box. All right, so I found out where the prices are. They're in the magazine thingy-majiggy. So to be honest, I don't really look at the prices of what things are, because all subscription boxes have that going for them, which is like, oh, you can get all these stuff like that are expensive for cheaper, even though they have like partnerships with these companies. So we'll just go through it. So the compact set of 3 packing cubes in sorbet, so that is the color sorbet. It is $40. So $40 for those packing cubes. I'm sure you can get them on Amazon much cheaper. All of them. I will link down some dupes below and link the products down below in their prices. And then what was our second thing? Oh, our second thing was the cactus. So the Pink Sky Cactus Sipper Cup. It's $20. $20 for that cup? Ay, Dios mío. I no. You can get like a super reusable cute cup. I'm gonna link down one of my favorites down below from Amazon also. Julie. Then this is these are coasters. So these are like woven coasters. I'm actually not gonna open them because they're like super cute in here. So these look like, these are coasters. This is what they look like. They come like in a packet together, so you could like re-gift it out to somebody. And they're like woven coasters. These are cute, like, you know, to put in your house when people come over. And these coasters are, they are $35. All right, I mean, you get 3, but still 4. You get 4. You can probably get these in like Home Goods for like 15 bucks or something like that. So they sell for $35. Excuse me, there's nothing in there for you. No, 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 no. This is why I'm super careful about my stuff. Who told her to get in that box? Julie, salte, bang. Julie, bang. All right, so I will probably re-gift these coasters just because I personally do not have my own house. There she goes again. And I'm not going to use these coasters, but I'm sure that like my aunts or my best friends or somebody else will. So I will be re-gifting these. That's another cute thing about FabFitFun. Like, if you don't like something, you can always just give it to someone for free. Like, they have so many nice, cute things that you can like re-gift. And I am a very bad gift giver, so that's why. Next up, we have... These are, oh, these are cute. These are like makeup removers. Oh, I love makeup removers. I actually use the makeup eraser to remove my makeup, so these are similar to that product. This is what they look like. They're like super soft. They have like, they're soft on both sides. They have like a purplish thing on the end, and you get 3 of them. Julie, espérate, mamoy. And these sell for $15. All right, so they are reusable beauty rounds, and they're supposed to take the place of makeup wipes, which is great. I'm gonna try them out and see how they work, because the makeup eraser is amazing. You literally just wash it and it just takes off all your makeup all of your face. I love it. I highly recommend that. Next up, we have a dip dye market tote. Oh, this is cute. This retails for $25. So now that we're not like using plastic bags when you go to stores, I always forget. I'm always buying the reusable bags from the supermarket, which is fine. I'm like supporting my supermarkets. But this is really cute. So it's like a bag so you can take with you to the supermercado. Look how cute this is. I like this. I mean, it's a little small. Like, what am I really gonna put in here? Like, they could have made it a little bit bigger for $25. Like, what are you gonna put in here? Apples, oranges? Like, are we in the country that I'm going apple picking? Like, this literally looks like going apple picking. And they could have made it so I could like put it around me, or like, I mean, I think it's fine like this, but like, what really fits in here? I can't buy anything that fits in here, but the idea is cute. Next up, we have Our Place kitchen stuff. Julie, ¿qué tú haces? I can't do anything fun in this house. Oh, this looks so cute. All right. Oh, wow, this is nice. It is right up my alley. Look at that pink color, guys. Woo, it's sturdy. It looks expensive. Oh, that's a little weird. You like collapse it. So it has like a clasp, so that's how you close it and open it. Ooh, this is cute. Look, it has a fork, chopsticks, a spoon. Look how cute, and a knife when you open it up. Oh, this is so cute. You can put like your food in here and like this dish. See how cute it is? Oh, let me tell you, your food will not get out of here. And it has this bottom, but this goes in there. This is really cute. It's like a lunchbox. And then you put your utensils on top. This is so cute. I love this. It's like a good size too. It's not like too big. You put like your rice and your chicken. I mean, I don't know. That's what I eat. I don't know what you guys eat. So this Our Place lunchbox is $35. All right, I think it's a little expensive. I mean, you could sell this for like 20 bucks or $25. You can get like a cute lunchbox. The only thing I don't like is like this is weird, because like, why is this at the bottom? But this is otherwise cute, and I'm happy that I got it in my FabFitFun box. The Humankind Moisturizing Hand Scrub in Elderflower and Raspberry. This is a solution to soften your hands with shea butter, sunflower oil, red raspberry seeds, a whole bunch of extracts, and it removes dead cells and refines textures. So it says to apply to wet or dry hands and scrub in your hands and then rinse well. So this is really cool, especially now that everybody has like super dry hands. So basically you like apply it to your hands and it like makes your hands soft again. All right, I also got this Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. This is interesting. So it's like to cleanse your face. So I'm gonna try this because it smells good. It smells like clean. I don't know, it smells super clean. It says it's formulated with dead sea mud, and it's beneficial to your skin. So it says to apply after cleansing your face and then rinse well and pat. So I'm excited to try this. I don't know how well like a bar of soap will work for your face, just because I don't like to like spread things. But I remember when I was in college, I used one from Lush. And it actually worked really well for my acne. So there's that. So let me tell you guys a little bit about FabFitFun. So it's a subscription box that you get every season. So you get 4 in 1 year. If you live in California, you don't know about seasons, but I live in New York, so we're about the seasons. And I think it's fun just to like expect something for the new change, and all that fun stuff. And basically it's really cool because if you are a good kind of person who like plans ahead, you can actually pick some of the things that you want in your box. I like to be surprised. Just kidding, I just forget to pick the stuff that I want. But my friends actually got to pick a whole bunch of stuff that they wanted. Okay, so on the box it says that you can get annual, which is prepaid for 4 boxes is $20. It's $180, which is like $45 per box, which is good for like, I literally got like 6 products. Or seasonal, which is $49.99 for each box. So like, let's say that you're like, oh my god, this box was so cool, and you'd rather wait to see like what products were in the box. That's totally fine too. If you guys are interested in these videos, I'll just keep I'll unbox and unload with you guys. I love to get boxes at home. I have a whole box of stuff that I don't use. So if you guys are interested in that, I will gladly do a lot of unboxing for you guys. Sorry about my babes. All right guys, well that's the entire box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.